Assalamu alaikum. You're joining Nazeela Khan on MangoPrime for skincare. उम्मीद है कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे. Something that people really want to know about is PDO threads. So today we're going to discuss pretty much PDO threads है क्या चीज़, लोग क्यों करते हैं, उसका क्या फ़ायदा है, what benefits you have, how long they last, and what exactly it is. So PDO threads pretty much is a non-invasive facelift. Yes, that's correct. So basically you can lift your face without going under the knife, without having any kind of downtime. Downtime का मतलब ये है कि bruising तो होगी आपको for sure. There's two different kinds of threads. एक thread है जिसके साथ you'll actually get a lift. That one is a little invasive, even though they say it's not kind of non-invasive. You will be kind of numbed at a certain point in the face, depending what you're looking for. Usually, लोगों का मसला jowls का होता है, so they kind of want to lift the face. And with that, you kind of go in with one vector, and you go in with a few threads to kind of help push up the effects of gravity, pretty much. Then there's the second kind of thread, which is a smooth thread. Smooth threads का काफ़ी फ़ायदा है. I mean, you can kind of do it all day long if you really wanted to. But smooth threads के साथ ये होता है कि you have to kind of go in with multiple treatments. आपको 3 दफ़ा आना होगा once a month for 3 months, and you start seeing an amazing result. Let's start off with what is exactly a PDO thread. Let me get into that first. So PDO threads के साथ ये है, it is a suture. It's been going on for a long time. Sutures obviously self-dissolve, and जब वो dissolve होते हैं, you have collagen that stays there. So collagen का ये फ़ायदा, it gives your face more of a plump, youthful skin, and you have the formation of neocollagenesis, which is basically a fancy term of saying you have formation of new collagen. Everybody wants new collagen. There's so many things that you can do for new collagen. लेकिन PDO threads का ये फ़ायदा है, especially smooth threads का, that you can kind of have no downtime to that except for like a topical numbing cream. You can kind of also not really lift, but it will cause tightening in the face, which will give you a little bit of a lift. But with the lifting threads, which are a little more aggressive, as mentioned earlier, they have little barbs on them. So barbs का ये है कि they will actually pull your skin on those barbs and cause a beautiful lifting effect. There are, you can name so many celebrities that get lifting threads done. Usually foxy eyes का भी होता है, they like to pull the eyes back. So celebrities obviously करते हैं because they don't want to go under the knife. They want to look amazing all the time. There's paparazzi after them all the time, so they kind of want to look their best. You're not just going to have an amazing result just with like a lifting thread. You do need to have a combination of Botox, a combination of filler, and the threads in order to give you an overall definitely amazing look. So options आपके लिए काफ़ी हैं. It's something that you have to kind of see if you're willing to, explore that option or not. So definitely look into PDO threads because everybody's doing it, and not only is everybody doing it, is it worth it? I believe definitely it's worth it. Kyunke why not look younger for longer? It's not like preserving your face as Botox works. Botox के साथ ये है कि obviously it paralyzes the muscle. जिसके साथ you will not cause wrinkles. Wrinkles का फ़ायदा obviously फ़ायदा तो कोई नहीं है. Well, you want to make sure that you don't have wrinkles at any age because you start looking tired and older, especially अगर आपकी wrinkles आपकी eyes के करीब हैं or on your forehead, so you don't want to look, you don't want to have that look because it makes you look tired. Fillers का ये है कि you can do fillers on your nasolabial folds. You can do fillers on the cheeks, which I'm not a big fan of because I don't like that look. But other than that, मतलब अगर आप options ढूंढ रहे हैं for a non-invasive quick healing facelift, definitely look into PDO threads. आजकल तो पाकिस्तान में भी काफ़ी लोग कर रहे हैं. I mean, Dr. Nazeela Khan is one of them that I look up to. She's amazing. She does them pretty much all day long in her sleep. And काफ़ी उसके results भी माशाल्लाह, she has good results with her patients. So if you're looking for something, once again mentioned, and you're contemplating what to do maybe at your 50s, then go for PDO threads. But with PDO threads, it's also good to start in your early, maybe late 30s, early 40s. Because if you're at an age where you're able to build more collagen, which is more at a younger age, then you will get a better result as well. I would definitely recommend it to my friends, to my peers as well who are looking into procedures and सोच रहे हैं कि हम क्या करें, क्या कर सकते हैं. तो PDO threads के साथ you can also have great results for acne जो dents पड़ते हैं, for old acne scars, because it creates a structure underneath. So जब structure होता है, आपके जो खड्डे पड़े होते हैं कईयों के from old acne marks, they can kind of pop out. And when that structure is formed, it gives you obviously what happens is collagen forms. So it does plump up the skin. But if you do it in 3 treatments, आपके results काफ़ी अच्छे आते हैं because of the fact that it is kind of healing over time. Is it a quick fix? Definitely not a quick fix. You're not going to see amazing results tomorrow, but definitely gradually आपके काफ़ी अच्छे results आएंगे over a period of 3 to 6 months. Lifting threads ke saath bhi, your collagen will form and the thread will break down within 6 months. The results last about, you could say, a year, year and a half. Agar aapke doctors bata rahe hain it's going to last forever or it's going to last 2-3 years, honestly, koi itna certainty ke saath to nahi keh sakta that it's going to last that long, because everybody's body breaks down things differently. Everybody has results differently. Generally speaking, आपके results काफ़ी अच्छे आएंगे और cost effective compared to a facelift is definitely more cost effective, but it is also pricey. अगर आप if you're looking into cost, definitely threads will range you anywhere from, like if you're doing smooth threads, about $300 से लेके like $600 तक, depending on I guess the amount of threads that you put in and what you're trying to accomplish with that smooth threads. Or jo lifting threads, of course, they're much more pricier. Lifting threads can cost anywhere from $1,000 to about $3,000, also depending on how much of a pool, I guess, and how many threads what you're trying to accomplish overall. So definitely not cheap, but it's definitely much more affordable than getting a proper facelift done and going under the knife. So that is definitely an option for you. लेकिन आपके best results आपको नजर आएंगे if you are doing a combination of Botox, filler, and threads. So definitely look into all your options. Don't knock it till you try it. Don't feel okay. There's something that you would not do. It does look scary, but honestly, it does not hurt. आज जो topical numbing है, आपको बिल्कुल दर्द नहीं होगी उसके साथ. It's also good for submental fat. जिनके यहाँ पे double chin होती है, it kind of pulls it back and you have a beautiful, beautiful jawline that will end up showing, which is something that a lot of people are looking forward to. They like to have a very prominent jawline. It gives you the whole model look. So अगर आप इस तरह की चीज़ें सोच रहे हैं, definitely look into PDO threads. Once again, it's PDO threads. What are they? They are basically a suture that self-dissolve over time. And when they dissolve over time, आपकी collagen form होती है. When your collagen forms, you have more plump-looking skin, more youthful skin. It's called neocollagenesis. Basically, you have formation of new collagen. जिसके साथ everybody is trying to accomplish that. Even if you do microneedling, if you do some sort of chemical peels, you're trying to have formation of new collagen. So the body definitely responds. When you're younger, you have more collagen formation. If you're in your 60s, आपके results आएंगे for sure, but not as much as someone who is way younger. So जिनकी skin काफ़ी ढीली है on the neck and they're looking for a lift, then PDO threads are not really your option. You would probably go to the route of having a facelift done, which is more invasive, but you will get a proper result done. You won't be wasting your money. So look into it if you are interested, and don't knock it till you try it. It's literally hair-sized thin needles that go in very superficially. It goes into the subdermal plane, which means बिल्कुल slide हो जाती हैं. so you don't feel the needle. So it looks pretty aggressive. अगर आप देखें on these videos, they look aggressive, but they totally are not aggressive. The lifting threads, on the other hand, for sure, आपको bruising होगी. You might even feel it in your skin, lifting a little bit. थोड़ी सी twitches आएंगे here and there, but overall, definitely worth it. Do give it a try, and let me know if you have any further questions. We will meet you next time with another topic. Khudafis.